Meanwhile,
don't mind my little mess, my office right here. This is my lazy laying down eating some cereal. How about some cereal mukbang? As you guys can see, I have some Frosted Flakes mixed with some multigrain Cheerios. Who likes mixing their cereals? With some blueberries, I added some fresh blueberries, some bananas, and some honey. Talk about fatty cereal, see? That's why you gain so much weight, all these add-ons. But tell me if you don't add stuff to your cereal, it's delicious. Oh my god.
Hey guys, the boy Mama C here. Obviously it's wake up here. Oh yes, I did brush my teeth, don't wash my face already. This is my cereal that I eat. Let me just show you guys. Cereal mukbang. Today I'm actually gonna give the topic more about simple. Sometimes a simple breakfast is good. I don't feel like making bacon and eggs, gourmet, grease, whatever. That's a simple breakfast. No effort, easy breakfast. Anyways. Not a crunches. I wanted to touch the topic of PCOS. A lot of people, women obviously, struggle with PCOS. What is PCOS? PCOS is Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome. It's ovarian cyst, which makes it difficult, in a lot of areas. And I've been suffering with it because after I had my son. One of the bad things that you get from it too is hard to bear children. I'm gonna say you can't completely bear children, but it makes it difficult for someone that has that to bear children. If I ever just had one child or have one kid, so to me it's okay. I'm actually in the process to get them surgically removed too, which is sucks at the same sense because then I can't bear any more children. They wanted to put me on birth control to minimize it and stuff like that and see if it works after there, but I know I'm not good with birth control. I don't believe in birth control pills either, of the side effects and stuff like that. I don't trust it, and I'm at this point in my life I really don't care about whether I have children or not, other children or not. I guess I would just adopt or something at this point if I wanted to, but I don't know if I will want to start over anyways. But so a little bit more, because I just jumped to that topic about PCOS. Anyways, effects that you get, obviously when you get your menstrual, for some people it's supposed to be they miss their period, or it's very irregular or different stuff like that, or some people get it super heavy. I'm one of the ones that get it super heavy, super painful. Sometimes it's hard to even get up from bed, being at work, sometimes you could just go to my pants with I can't control it and stuff like that. So it's not good. And you got other symptoms that I know I get from it, like acne, hair loss. I do get thinning in my hair. That's from that. So obviously I want to fix all of that. So I'd rather get rid of it. Obesity too, diabetes, it could lead to that. Weight gain. So I know, even if sometimes I feel like I didn't even eat for 3 days, because sometimes when I'm stressed I don't eat, and I'm like, but I'm still gaining, and I know it's that, and it makes you lazy, like weak and stuff like that. So it's not good to have. And you know, your stomach swells up and stuff like that, so you look like have a huge, bigger fupa than you probably really have. Whatever. So but I do have a lot of the symptoms of that, and I rather just target it now while I'm still young and just, you know, get rid of it. But I feel for the women that want to build children and have it. They have no option. Bananas in here, really good. I almost about to probably go to the birth control, you know, to try to regulate everything. Shrink the cysts and stuff like that. It sucks bad. So those ladies struggling with that, please leave a comment, share below. Let me know how you're dealing with it, what you feel about it. Do you get it painful? Are you gonna do surgery, or are you just gonna do the birth control way? What struggles you have with it? Just let me know. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Sometimes with the PCOS, it feels like I'm giving birth. It's so painful. I can't even get out of my bed. It's so bad. It's like contractions. The worst ones ever. And then bleeding and clotting so much, like you had a miscarriage. I know it sounds gruesome, especially when eating. But it's something that's real. And many people don't understand how it is to live with that. Dealing with a period itself is already sucks as it is. Just some people got it good.